So this is my recent find on the Craigslist. It's a Type 30, made in 2001, Ingersoll Rand, 7.5 horse, 2-stage, 80-gallon compressor. So when I got it here to the house and got it all hooked up, I go to turn it on, it makes this whining noise. So after I popped the top off of it to see what's going on, had these things. And this one is blown up. These are the motor, as they say, motor start capacitors. There's 3 of them. So if you add up the total, so I ended up finding, can't find them anymore. So what I ended up doing was ordering these. They're about $18 a piece. If you do find those other ones, they're like 60 to 100 bucks. And this is how I wired them. Okay? So I wired them. I just took that one off to show you what the sound was. So as you can see, all right, go slow to make your life a little easier when you're trying to wire these suckers, because I could not find a wiring schematic to save my life. Okay, and these are the start windings. Okay, so that's how I set it up. First time I did it, I blew one up, brand new one. They're $18 a piece. And then this seems to be a pretty good combination. So when I hit the thing, so as you can see, besides my garage is a mess, it seems to work. So hopefully this helps somebody out. I know it was very difficult for me to find the wiring schematic for it, and I never did. So through trial and error, my $950 air compressor seems to be running pretty good. So here's a shot of the setup again. Okay, thanks, bye.